Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more interesting videos on microservices. As we have gone through many videos on microservices such as introduction to microservices, microservices using FastAPI, then get and post method, then microservices connection to MySQL database using FastAPI, and many more videos. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is all about app with CRUD operation. I have done many videos on Node.js, React.js, merge stack, full stack, but this video is something different. I have done REST API in very different style, and I have not done up till now such best REST API in Node.js and React.js. So let us go through the program first. App directory, then this is all about the code. I have taken the SQLite database. I need to perform the CRUD operation. Now I will execute the program. Yes, fine. Yes, fine. Now these are the operation: post, get, put and delete. CRUD operation. Now first of all, post, I will add name Sachin Tendulkar, description batsman, execute. Here Sachin Tendulkar and batsman execute. Now I will create another record. Now Virat, batsman, execute. Yes, Virat and batsman execute. Virat execute. Success response. Yes, fine. String and this thing. Now I will get, first of all, I will now post has been operation has been completed. Now get ID 1, Virat will be displayed. Yes, item 1. Yes, fine. Sachin Tendulkar has been displayed, and description is string. Now Sachin Tendulkar and batsman ID 1, because that record was inserted first. I will take second. Now it will come with Virat Kohli. Now it is coming Virat Kohli, batsman. Fine. Now what I will do, cancel, and I will put operation. I will delete Sachin Tendulkar, item ID 1, name Sachin Tendulkar, description batsman, execute. Yes, Sachin Tendulkar description has been deleted. Now we can see successful. Yes, it is gone. Now I will check it. Again I will execute. Yes, it has been deleted. Okay, delete. Update, put in the sense update. Now I will add Rohit Sharma Captain. Execute. Yes, Rohit Sharma Captain has been there. We can check it out. Check it out. Get. Maybe it will come Rohit Sharma. Yes, Rohit Sharma has come. So I successfully done. Now what I will do? Delete operation has been performed. So create, insert, update and delete operation has been performed successfully. So I successfully done with REST API using microservices using FastAPI. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python with attendance system, face recognition, fruits and vegetable classification, support vector machine, CNN, if possible Node.js, React.js, merge stack, full stack. I will be back with more creative videos on Node.js, but something different manner. Previously I had done a lot of videos on Node.js, but this time I will be trying to represent in my videos Node.js in different style. Then I will be back with Spring Boot, but it will take some time. So if you want to get latest update of Python, keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.